In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Fire TV stick. Let's get started. To pair your Alexa remote with your Fire TV stick, you should click on this play and pause button. If you click on this, you will get the setup will start. Choose your language. You can set this Fire TV stick by using an Fire TV app or just by a remote. So if you just scan this QR code, it will direct you to the Google Play Store or the App Store. There you can install this Fire TV and you can log into your Amazon account. So I'm going to choose the setup with Fire TV app. Install Amazon Fire TV app. Click on open. Enable Bluetooth. Okay, sure. Okay. Allow. Just allow all the prompts which they will tell. So if you are going to continue with setting up your Fire TV by Fire TV app, you should connect to the Wi-Fi network. So just click on setup with remote. After you connect to your Wi-Fi network, then you can pair your Fire TV stick with the Fire TV app. After the update of your Fire TV stick, you will get connect to remote. In that section, you will get the Amazon Fire TV stick Lite and some code. So it will enter the 4-digit code displayed on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Now I have successfully connected my Fire TV stick Lite to my Fire TV app. After pairing with your Fire TV app, you will get this screen that visit amazon.com/code. There you should enter this code, then you can sign in, it seems. So let's do that. I'm going to head over to Amazon. Okay, amazon.com/code it seems. Enter your Amazon account phone number and the password. Click on sign in. Then enter the code which you have got on your Fire TV stick. F, all caps, FZ 4 EPS. This is the code. I want to just click on continue. Then the Amazon Fire TV stick is successfully registered. Then click on continue. It is your wish whether to save the password or no. So I'm going to just click on no. No parental controls. Optimizing means it is just setting the screen resolution which is available for my TV. It is just loading. Click on continue. Then click on no thanks. If you want, you can also get started by installing this apps like Gaana, Woot, Hotstar, like that. So I don't want for now. No thanks. Manage and monitor your data consumption on Fire TV stick Lite. Okay, set up later. Got it. So a video will play automatically. It is just a user manual video. If you want, you can also forward it. click on home button. Then here you can see my Ananta profile. You can also add the new profile if in your home, if they are watching some other channels, if they have their, if you want to create their own profile, you can also do that by just clicking on add profile. I'm going to continue with Ananta. So here is the new Fire TV home screen. Thank you guys for watching this. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified when I publish new videos. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.